Today we're going to be going over my top 5 reasons why you should be hanging your brake caliper from a hanger like this or anything else that you can come up with. And that's coming up next year on Jesse B. Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, I did a shorts video just saying that you should put your brake calipers on a hanger, and it got a bunch of views and a bunch of comments. So I thought I'd elaborate a little bit more than what I did on that shorts video by making this long video of why you should use hangers for on your brake caliper. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with my top 5 reasons why you should. So let's get started. You should never let a brake caliper hang by the hose because it can cause serious and expensive damage, and here's why. Number 1, the brake hoses aren't designed to carry weight. Rubber brake hoses are meant to handle hydraulic pressure, not support weight from the caliper. A typical caliper weighs several pounds, and that tension can weaken the hose internally and cause small cracks. Number 2 is hidden internal damage. Even if the hose looks fine after hanging, on the outside the internal layers could be stretched or separated. This weakening of the hose can lead to soft brake pedal, fluid leaks, and even sudden failures later on. Number 3, possible fitting damage. Basically, the connection between the metal brake line and the rubber hose is fragile. Hanging the caliper can stress or twist that fitting, leading to leaks or stripping when you try to reinstall it. Number 4 is a huge one why I don't get why people let their calipers hang from a brake hose. It's a safety risk. The hose can be damaged and burst under braking pressure, causing the loss of braking at that wheel, or even worse, the entire brake system, and that is depending on which brake system setup you have. And number 5, it's easy to avoid. Using a brake caliper hanger, a bungee cord, or a simple piece of wire to suspend it safely from the suspension is going to keep the hose stress-free and your braking system running reliable. So that's my top 5 reasons why you shouldn't let a brake caliper hang by the hose. Basically what it boils down to is it only takes a few seconds to hang that thing properly, so why even chance it? It can save you from damaging the hose, risking your brakes later on, and keep everyone nice and safe, and that's the main thing. Your safety, your family's safety, other people's family safety. Also, work safe, take your time, and do the job right the first time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and keep it civil in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out the description. Down there, I'll have some affiliate accounts, and some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Well, that's all I got for today. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.